real bad trade at the moment. You probably went for longs and it's shorting hard. If it's real bad, not just bad, get out. But that's up to you, G. Straight up. Hope trades go well today, my man. They're real bad. If it hits the thousands, G, like, for me, that's hectic. What would your what is your claim to like pulling out? Would it be like 500 or less? You know what I mean? Alright, G, I reckon until we get a confirmation. I don't know. Yeah, like when it comes to hope, it's like supposedly like, you know. Alright, on ES we've hit 23, so it should be pushing out from here. I'm in. Going in. It might not either. Put my stop underneath. Running one contract. This is the current. Struggling to go up hard. Yeah. We've just passed the lows of the day though, I think. The lows were just earlier. So we've swept the lows. I could just keep pushing low. Got this one moth on my screen, bruv. Poke must have flipped. Oh no. Thought it would have flipped. Oh, your pocket's flipped now. This should be 3-bar play up, or it will be the 4-bar play. I feel like it could just push through too. Alright, no. Looking for a 3-bar play up. If it rejects here, then it rejects, bruv. But on both sides, like, I'll show both sides. If you can see this. This is the current orb. We've hit the bottom lows right here. This is a low. Yep. Let's go up. So we're going at least to here. At least to here. So that's 100 texture. Could reject it. Open this. Could just push down too. Orb, make it a different color. Right, boom. Right. 222 ticks. I don't want to get in with the second one. So watch this side one as well. Let's make small. is saying if it prints over this box. Yep. We're at the midline now, so prints over the midline on this, then we're gone. There's a VWAP right here, so I'm gonna claim $50 or something. 25 bucks, I guess. Could have stayed. Richard is struggling to go up. Stayed. Minus 1,000. Right, G. Right, G. Up to you what you want to do. Possibly downsize could work. But now that you are in minus, this is where the over trading comes in. So it's up to you, like what trade you want to take now and stuff like that. But just make sure not to over trade. Kind of want to on another contract here. Not gonna lie. Boom, man. And my entry is pushed up from down here. That turkey. I'm gonna push mine up. I think Valeria low. I'm gonna take one out. They break even. So I got one hundo so far. But, you know, I fucking low. Need to make my shit. Last couple days, yeah, bruv. I think when that shit happened there. Happy I don't. Brought me up to the no mark. Good first trade. Playing up. This bang. I think it's gonna come down to here. Push back up, but we've just hit the bottom of orb. It normally goes like this. Does the retracement. So this is the retracement. It's gonna keep pushing up at least to VWAP in this red line right here. Then I'll flip to the downside, possibly. If it runs this, I might even just like catch a sell here. Out of the VWAP. Fuck, what happens? Massive ass gap over here too. Forget about this. I don't know about this. I don't know. I'll stick with it. This one is pushing up there. Could like fill this whole gap. And I'm sure about this. There's this gap up here. There's the gap fill there. So now we could see the fake out. If this is the one right here, a good fake out of orb as well. Not really sure. Fake. First trading day for me so far. But the main thing is that we've had some gun ass trading days, G. A vibe, G. Right, so the orb's set now. Freaking tings. Middle. Can't see. Oh, oh. Is this continuation done? Good 3 bar. But on the occasion that does not. And we're going down. Alright, I'm in with 2. Bit value very low right there. Anymore? I'm not see red, so algae. Yeah. We'd lost $20. Almost like there's much going on. Yesterday's very low. Pockets in the middle right now, which is good. We print back above VWAP, then I'm keen for buys. It's on very low for both ears. Oh no, we're going down. No, I don't know. I'm in an I don't know vibe. Puck ain't probably being respected. I mean, yeah, I guess not. On here it is. On yes, it is. Just to be clear, the one on the left is NQ, MNQ. This is the top 100 tech companies. On the right is the top 500 tech companies. So, bit of confluence with both. RSI on ES is making a lower low. NQ is a higher low. Kind of not in a good to make. Pockers flipped to the exact middle of all moment. If this candle stays below and the next candle below on ES, then might look for the sell. Pushes all the way to this low. So over here there was a fake out right here. Fake out of VWAP. I was like, oh, we're going through. Boom, respected. Push back up. Like it's like 1-2 minutes worth down can. Bit of a doji. Take off fib now. this, coming up VWAP on ES, possible good place to sell. Above value area low up here, underneath value area low on here. Bit of confusion. What do we follow? And over there again. We sell down to the lows. It is this inverse fair value gap. Back down. Pushes off. Fucking nice. Just trade from the value area low back up to the value area. Up VWAP here. Break. Or not. Upside all. Alright, so this one on the right is just sitting. It's not moving anywhere. One on the left is just pushing. So we will see. There's a fake out here. Or not. Not sure if I want to take the push on orb high. Could be another one of fake outs. Alright. If it stays under, then I'll take the retest or the sell. Stays on top. Wait for the pull back down and then push. I want to see a fake back in. Pock to pock play, bro. This could be your ultimate setup, I reckon. I've seen Chemicap do that. Pock to pock play. Make sure to hit the like button. Oh, no way. I'm gonna hit it right. Bang. Alright, here we go. Here we go. One. Bar play. If we're coming back down though, it will be madness. What am I doing? Just lost another $11. Fucking hell. Of the likes, bro. I appreciate. Got this moth around on my screen and shit. Probably taking just 1,000 shits, bro. Just out of curiosity, do I have ads on my YouTube? I want this to happen. I'm gonna sell this, bro. Pop. Thing above there. Still got 20 seconds there. So up there top. Got 2 seconds. Hopefully it stays underneath. Park. There's it underneath. There's a little drop right there. Come on. Now we have to watch this level here. This blue orb, right? Following the purple square. There it goes. There it goes. Remember. Pock the pock play. Let's go. Pock the pock. Pock the pock. Pock pock play. Oh, there's the buck buck. Oh, sorry. Sorry for the cough. Sorry for the cough. It might not keep going because on the right here, see, it's just like looking around on Valeria low. But we will see. If we break below these 2 levels right here, madness. So I want the next 4 candles. The next 4 candles will tell me whether this is gonna keep going up. When poking, eh? Hooray. See what? We'll push back up, hopefully not. We're at midline on ES and we're at VWAP here. I'm gonna consider out, but no heads I've noticed. Oh yeah, me. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah. Bring this over a bit. Right, so got the fake out. Oh, no, not really. Or fake out. This was going to do ish. Down. Boom. Right here will be other cell. Pick up one cell. Oh, I'm gonna wait for the next one. Hope this pushes past this white one. If this is gonna come back up on. I'm not gonna risk it. Come on, if you want. I don't get. Alright, you know what? I'm up here. Because news is in 1 minute. And if it pushes all the way down, then fuck, we've got like 150 or something, maybe. We'll just, hopefully this 30 ticks right here is enough. push up. Look at bullshit. Me? Yeah, G. Yeah. Yeah, yesterday was mine for sure. Alright, I'm out of this trade. Alright, the next. See what happens here. If I can sell from orb still. I think I might still be selling. No. Oh, sorry for the cough. I'm looking for the sell. Pockets flipped to the top side. But, oh, well, there you go. It was a pock to pock trade, low key. I just didn't update my fucking shit. Fuck, that's bullshit. Sorry for my language. Probably shouldn't, but. Right, so we hit the pot and pushed out of orb. Reckon it'll go back down. We could, bro. Let's hit pot again. Pot. Let's just hit pock again. Oh no. Oh no. Back on it. Pock to pock. Oh. Oh. Bro, did you see that? Look at that. Bro, I just jumped on it. On it. Yeah. I think keep pushing, bro. Yes. That was random though. 302 candle. What? For any randoms that are watching from New Zealand, bro. Because we'll probably put that on there. No. They fuck. That gimmicky. I mean, pardon the language. Right, so we're at VWAP and POC. This is kind of a main spot, right? Oh. No, it's not here. I'm out of that. Not trying to. Just don't know. A buy from here? To here? Imagine if I was still in from down here. So we're range bound at the moment. Been a massive push though. Which is this? Like 100 points? 8 points. Okay. Okay. It's bought very low. Come out of then like the 5 minute push maybe. The 1 minute push. Up and then down to very low. Right. Need some form of confluence. Need something that. So we're at POC. What do you reckon the strats are, bro? Are we in any more trades or are we out for the day? What I want to see is some sort of breakout. We've already hit the lows. I want to see the breakout to breakout from possibly, I guess, from POC way up to here, 65. We've gone from, right, let's look at the history. Gone down to beat the Globex low, so swept the lows, and then it turned around from the fib level, bang. So that's what I see, like daily, bang, and then it's curved up, and it's hit the fib retracement, bang. So that's like solid trade, dang to dang, which I took, and then it's come up. Now it's like hitting these value levels, like pretty good. Comes up, view up, shit, up to POC, back down to value area low. Now we're in between value area low, fighting on view up and POC at the moment, and it needs to break out wherever the. And since we've already swept the lows, I'm looking for highs. Bang, around here. Can I buy? 95 ticks times at $45 or something. From value area low would be a better spot to be. It would be like $20. Magneting hard. Alright, G. So downsize, take less trades. Just try build up some sort of confluence, G. Got those, G. Those. So I've got these massive ass stop losses only because I'm running one contract. The wider stop loss. One not even Q. But it is choppy, G. Downtrending since POC. Could just be airs, bro. Line hasn't been breaking. It's either going to break down real hard or it's been heaps of strength here. I'm just going to go off like value area low to value area high at the very least. So I'm trading a POC to one of these levels. POC to POC trade or POC to value area low to value area high. Some of the basics I learned. Gimme cap shit. Who's to say that it works? I remember when we tried it way back in. Hey, the problem. Okay, we've filled a gap. Could just come back down now. Trade. POC is flipped. POC is exactly like. I'll keep it right here. $15 stop loss. Mean G. $20 stop. Oh, the break on the middle line has happened. Selling. I don't know stop loss is like pretty tight to be honest. 32 ticks. If it pushes though, then mean, but see, even now I am over trading. Projectile value very low. If it goes through, then solid might just keep pushing through. To be honest, I don't know. I think it's just like have confidence in something here. The bomb very low. I'm just gonna put another one in. So we're in now. Comes back up, then no fucking way. But at least I got like dollar per tick. I want to break this one here. But if I'm mentally feeling exhausted, oh. Okay, leads to the midline. Oh, yep, go cunt. Go cunt. Way up here. Because the fees are 74 cents or whatever. I'm taking 2 ticks. It'll be $1 each. I'll make like 30 cents. 26 cents per trade. Instead of taking a loss. I could just flip here. Probably will. Let's hope don't. Oh, this is a big ass wick. Time for a buy maybe. But on the right, see, we need a. This is where it will work. Once these two pair up, once the one on the right pairs up with the one on the left, then it will be like, all right, that's a fucking banger trade. We need to take that trade. Wait up. That's when it will be like banger trade. If both of these two hit like bottom of orb at the same time, or it hits the bottom of orb over here, which is the dotted line, low, hits the dotted line right here, boom, I'm fucking buying. Yeah, so if we see confusion, it's like, nah, it's fucking around. But then once we see it marry up together, fuck. Maybe. Alright, we're at midlines. I'll take it off. I'll take all of it. Because I'm not keen to think about it anymore. Fuck the thinking about it. Bullshit. I could just keep playing to. I'm not even go back up at all today. What's happened? 5 minutes. Different time frame. Alright, so we've got a massive 3-bar down at the midline right now. This is gonna hit the low, like before it hits. Thinking about being a fake out or pushing back in. Push up, maybe not. Alright, big rejection here. Big rejection here. I hit the bottom. Big rejection. I'm just gonna do a small stop loss. What is this? $20. One on the right, hit the low. This one here, hit the low. Marrying. Oh, did you? Fox moved approximately times since starting of it. Oh, we're back in a. Yeah. Well, that was a big GG's anyway. Yeah. It's crazy, like how up you were though. Almost past, but not this month, unfortunately. Yeah, yeah. It's a big pat on the back, yeah. One day of over trading, fuck. Like I've had that every week. I've had that every week. I've done the one full week or 2 weeks of what do you call it? Of one trade a day, and that was hard. Gee. Like I was taking multiple losses, multiple days of loss, hard, bro. But I learned the discipline, eh? And yesterday I still overtraded, even though I learned that discipline. But I tried to learn right at the end day, right when I had my last $90. Too late, you know. Um, what was your cons that you were trading today, bro? It's bullshit. Here's the one thing that I know for myself: you will feel like shit tonight. You might feel like shit tomorrow. Then take it out on yourself, G. Like it happens. It happens here. Um, but the one thing that you will love is the time away from the trades, G. You get that time back for yourself, bro. And I need to like focus on health, focus on this, get some nice sleeps in, especially for us in New Zealand now. Hey, we've talked about this multiple times already. We're all midline on the right. No, I'm staying in it. Three ticks. Staying in it. Way too. Fuck the old midline right now. Right, I'm out of this. Yeah, fuck. I'm not letting it go away. I need to build this account back up. Fuck, it's going up. Where else can we take a trade? Oh, we're at Valley Area Low and view up right now. At Valley Area Low on here is taking it. It's marrying it. It could just hack me right into Bim Boom. Well, who knows? I don't know. I'm still trying to figure this out myself. Oh, lying. Or midline, 3-bar play, got a doji here, it's beating that. Push, bar, push. Big GG's. Yeah, G. Nah, hard. Can you hear me, G? You can hear me, yeah. Wait. GG. Yeah. G, how many cons were you running today, G? Couldn't read it properly. Yeah, no, neither, G. Neither. I'm still learning myself, G. Good with it, to be honest. Yeah, no, mean. You done like you done the best you've ever done. It's been 1 year of trading and what 1 month I think, so 13 months of trading, and you like fucking what was it like 2000 something you were up. The sleeps are the plus for sure. Bad reads and the bad reads led to overtrading due to wanting to come back. Bad reads and bad reads trading due to yeah. But it's the cap being yeah, I forgot. Oh yeah. Only having 2k every day. It resets to 2k. Yeah. So like you were thinking you had like 4k to play with, kind of vibes. Yeah. But that's mean though, because you can only have that problem for the first time once you reach um that milestone, eh? Being up so high. Because previously I wasn't like that. Once I've gone the bar, which I'm happy with, now I'll be able to pass. Feel good and walking. Crack it eventually. Yeah. I liked. Oh, gee, I think you're like a couple minutes behind, maybe. Unless my settings and shit are just fucked. I got a weird feeling about this right here. 2,400 I was up. Yeah, you said you had like 7, 6. I've ever been. Yeah, that's heck. Alright, G, I got a little vibe right. Got a little vibe. Got a fake out right here. That might not work, but it might work. Might work. Yeah. We'll fake out. 3 bar play right here. Coming down. It's coming down. 25 bucks. G, let me know when you've made the video live. We can have some proper talk. Damn, it's going down. Oh, oh, oh. Here's the thing. Still looking. If this hit the fib out of Globex and all, hadn't been in that position, so I forgot about it. First experience in that situation. Man, straight up, bro. I'm so fucking like. I was even telling like the other bros that I was cutting because they're interested in trading too. Yeah, the boys he's been trading for 1 year, and now he's up. Go to like all your days of green and stuff. And I was just like, gobs. Hey, wait, it's taken a year, and I was like, hey, compared to me, that's fast as. I was telling him how fast that is, bro. Oh shit, sorry. But gee, yeah, keen as, bro. Keen as. Tell me when you made this video live, G. Nice trading month. Yeah, G. And it was September 2024 when you started. 2,400 is a lot of money, G. You were consistent with it. Now it's the other part of the strategy too, the build, which is what do I do when I what do I do when I overtrade? Then what should I do when I'm in the overtrading vibes? When am I in the overtrading vibes? Oh, I'm in the overtrading vibes when I start losing, when I have a massive loss maybe, and then I want to try and catch up. I'm thinking I need to make 1,400. I want to see this next candle. many trades I've taken so far. $18 trades. Fucking heat. Alright, here we go. Pushing down. Think some. I took a spell with the orb. Then it like bang, pushed down. I was like over here. Damn. I think I then scaled and pushed. Going on. Let's see. Oh, you're in, bro. 2 ticks. Bit small. It's $73. 69. In seconds. I want to see what happens. Push us dollars out of the butt cheek. Or what happens here? Yeah, it's just out. No? If we come back up from here, if we go past this, yeah. Taken that, pushed up. We haven't taken the right one. mean you. Gonna run some accountability. Yeah? Good on you, G. Hey, no matter what, I'm fucking proud of you, bro. Oh, come on, bro. Stay upright. Push. Push. Or well play. Oh, well play. Pushing, keep pushing. 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 If it does this right here, then it's gone. If not, it's all good. Tapped. Oh well. Yeah, double check if this YouTube's live G. Bro, I was up 200 as well. I've overtraded back to minus. Yeah, I should even need. I think it's me trying to catch the bottoms and catch the. But that shit might be fucking me. Oh, how about that? Number two, good luck with the trades. Yeah, shut my bro. Maybe have a mean night, G. Keep trying to chat with you, but I think delayed. GG's. Took that. How much is this? Fuck. Alright, so what did we do? What ended up happening? They reckon they bottom ticked us. I need to figure out how and basically I think I need to